The first 2022 GMC HUMMER EV pickups have been produced at Factory Zero, and customer deliveries will now begin. The revolutionary GMC supertruck represents the first of many Ultium-based consumer vehicles to be produced as part of General Motors' vision for an all-electric future. The GMC HUMMER EV Edition 1's design features an interstellar white exterior, unique lunar horizon interior, and is powered by GM's new Ultium Platform. Its revolutionary capability offers a GM estimated up to 1,000 horsepower and 11,500 lb-ft of torque. It has a starting MSRP of $110,295. Signature features include four-wheel steer featuring crab walk, adaptive air suspension with extract mode, What's to Freedom, Super Cruise. The GMC HUMMER EV leads future production of zero-emission vehicles at GM's Factory Zero Detroit Hamtramck Assembly Center, which has been retooled, upgraded and expanded with a $2.2 billion investment by GM. Factory Zero will serve as the launchpad for the company's multi-brand EV strategy.